Here at the Kane furnace, this is a Linux Pulse 80,000 BTU furnace. This is number one in the basement. Here's your PVC, comes on the side, runs up and out through the back of the house here. This is a garage side on this side of the house. Looking at a data tag, 3/8 by 7/8 line set that runs up all the way through the crawl space. So this is manageable to replace if needed. Condensate line comes down, ties in right here in the floor. 3/4 inch gas line coming in on the left hand side with your electric on the left hand side also. About 6 inches in between here. We have a humidity spray Linux system that works. Here's your filter box. Like to replace this with a new filter box, 16 by 25 by 5. They don't use it anymore other than the filter. Your humidifier, which is turned on. Got another HEPA filter on this unit here on the side. You have quite a bit of water coming out, which I'm thinking, being that this was turned on, that's what's leaking. Here's your duct work for this. Here's a wide view. Coil again on this unit is built in. They got sheet metal all the way down to the end of the plenum, so it's all one unit. It does go up here, kind of hit a brick wall. It tapers off in the back. It does come through the back here and to the side on this side. Nothing coming on the left hand side. Flux that comes down into the humidity spray. Some more duct work. Not exactly sure what this goes to, but it wraps all the way around into this thing, unless that's some kind of radon. We're still in the basement. This one has an easier access to get in and out. Same way, go through here. Right up to the top of the stairs to the front door. Same way as the option 2. So this is option 1 filter or furnace.